Hello people, welcome to my channel. Flowers are the music of the ground, from earth's lips spoken without sound. Flowers are a proud assertion that a ray of beauty outvalues all the utilities in the world. And in this video, I am going to show a tutorial on how to make an artificial flower from paper. Very easy to make and very useful. So let's begin. Follow the steps shown. Firstly, you have to take an A4 sheet of any color of your choice. Now, with the help of a compass, draw a circle of any preferable size. Now, with the help of a scissor, cut the circle. Next step is to cut the circle spirally from outside to inside. Please watch the video very carefully. You have to cut the circle very neatly so that the flower comes out to be very neat and beautiful.
فديتك سيدي صلاة وسلام عليك يا نبي حبيبي يا محمد.
Cut the extra edges. Now you have to fold the spirally cut circle as depicted in the video. As I am doing, follow the hands.
يا رحمة للعالمين يا محمد.
Hold the grip of the paper so that it does not slip.
رحمة للعالمين محمد محمد رحمة للعالمين.
And here it is. Now the last step is to paste it with the help of a glue or a glue gun. And ta-da! Your artificial flower is ready. So when in doubt, add flowers to your creativity. Flowers are very attractive and enhance the look of anything. You can use it in making school projects, school notice board decoration, wall art, and many more things. So thank you for watching and keep supporting. Do like, share, comment and subscribe.